Alright, buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into the trenches of exam prep. We're not just scratching the surface. We're going to learn every trick in the book to conquer that hard exam paper. Forget generic study tips, we're talking extreme teaching breakdown here. We're going to equip you with the knowledge and strategies you need to not just pass, but excel. First, understand the enemy. Before you even look at a question, you've got to know your opponent. What topics are heavily weighted? What question formats will you face? Is it multiple choice, essays, problem solving, or a combination? A thorough understanding of the exam structure is half the battle. This includes knowing the allocation of marks for each question and section. This knowledge allows you to focus your study efforts effectively and maximize your score. Next, strategic attack. Time management is crucial. Divide your time wisely, allocating more time to high-value questions. Those that carry a significant number of marks or are in your areas of strength. Don't get stuck on one question for too long, move on, and come back later if needed. Practice under timed conditions. This builds stamina, simulates real exam pressure, and teaches you to think clearly and decisively under pressure. Make sure to factor in time for reviewing your answers. Now, let's talk about the tricks. For multiple choice questions, eliminate wrong answers methodically. Even if you're unsure, you can often narrow it down to 2 or 3 possibilities. Guess strategically, using the process of elimination. Sometimes, a calculated guess is better than leaving it blank. Consider whether there's a penalty for incorrect answers. For essays, plan before you write. Outline your main points, structure your arguments logically using clear topic sentences, and back them up with solid evidence. Provide examples and analysis to support your claims. For problem-solving questions, show your work meticulously. Even if you don't get the final answer, partial credit is often awarded for correct steps and methodologies. Clearly label your diagrams, equations, and calculations. Then, master the art of recall. Flashcards, spaced repetition, and active recall techniques are your best friends. Don't just passively read, test yourself regularly. Quiz yourself, explain concepts to others, and rewrite your notes in your own words. This active engagement cements information in your long-term memory. Consider using mnemonic devices to aid recall and retain complex information effectively.